Installing shingles is a major job, but you can do it if you're an experienced DIYer. We'll give you an overview of the job, from prep and installation to cleanup. But if you want to get it done professionally, Lowe's offers roof tarping and installation services through independent installers. Always use a harness and fall protection equipment. Wear safety gear like a hard hat, gloves, eye protection, and rubber-soled boots. Only work when the roof is dry, and always check for exposed or fallen nails. Check the permits and codes for your area. Clear items from around the house, including the grill, patio furniture, and your vehicles. Tarp the area below your workspace and cover any nearby plants. Remove existing shingles, nails, and underlayment using a roof shovel. Sweep the roof deck clean and inspect the wood underneath for any damage. Install a metal drip edge along the eaves, which are the horizontal edges of the roof that extend beyond the exterior walls. Then lay a leak barrier along the eaves. Use a chalk line and keep everything straight. Roll the leak barrier down with a hand roller to make sure it's properly adhered. Overlap the ends as directed. Roll out and secure the roofing underlayment on the rest of the roof, keeping it tight and flat. Overlap the ends of the underlayment if needed. Then install the drip edge flashing along the rakes, or the sloped edges of the roof. Install a row of starter shingles along both the eaves and rakes. Make sure it lines up with the drip edge. Trim the first piece for a staggered joint if needed. Lay the full shingles over the starter shingles. Nail them according to the pattern specified by the manufacturer. Stagger the joints and use chalk lines for alignment. When you reach vents, pipes, or chimneys, fit shingles carefully around them. Add pipe collars or flashing and seal with roofing cement. Sweep the roof again and clear any debris from the gutters. Then check the surrounding areas for loose nails or fasteners. If you want to save time and effort, reach out to our team at Lowe's and we'll help you with your roofing installation project.